All right, welcome everyone. This is day 13. Let's go over what your daily challenge is to cultivate a flexible mind. Our one-word intention today is give. So today, I just want you to be of service. I want you to think of giving of yourself with no expectation of receiving something in return. So this can look like a lot of different things, right? We can give in so many ways. You might make yourself available to the people in your home, reaching out to them and saying, how can I help you today? Same thing with friends that you might have. You might choose to physically give money, so maybe donating to a charity or physically donating of your time, maybe by volunteering. You might not be volunteering today, maybe you're signing up to commit to giving, signing up for volunteering in the near future. That works as well. You can even give of your expertise and your knowledge. One really interesting way that you can do this, you know how you can go on Quora.com and people are asking questions. If you go and start answering and giving your advice, your knowledge, and your expertise and things that you actually are an expert in, that can be another really great way to give. It can also just be like a random act of kindness, but I want you to do something for the sake of simply doing it, for the sake of being of service to others. This can be something that you're doing for your community. This act of seva, of being of service to others, is a really wonderful way to actually feel better about ourselves. I find that one of the best ways to get out of my own funk if I'm having a hard time mental health wise and I feel like I'm in a rut, is by focusing on other people and really focusing on how I can be of service and how I can give and help the people and my community around me. All of a sudden it puts your own issues kind of into perspective, and I don't know, I can't explain it, but it really does help to heal ourselves when we focus on helping and being of service to others. So that's what I want you to focus on today. There are, 1,000 million ways that you can be of service and that you can give today. Let us know what you've chosen. Leave me a comment. How will you be of service today? What will you be giving? And hopefully you really enjoy this challenge, and maybe it's something that you'll be implementing on a regular basis. It's very powerful. Don't underestimate it. And yeah, make the most of it. And we'll connect again tomorrow.